Org charts are an important planning tool for any size business, from the one-man band to a huge corporate organization. I also think that most of them are upside down. Did you know you shine and I'm falling for the way you smile? You're gonna take the fight now, punch me lights out, 'cause you're a champion. Welcome everyone, my name is Eric Anthony and this is All Things MSP. This is a community where we just talk about being IT service providers and the opportunities and challenges therein. If you're interested in this type of content, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when I post new videos. Also, there's a link in the description to the Facebook group that we run as well. So welcome once again to 2 Minute Tuesday. I can't believe that this is our fourth one in a row. I just really can't believe I've pulled off 4 weeks in a row creating a video for you guys. So anyway, 2 Minute Tuesday wouldn't be 2 Minute Tuesday without a clock. All right, so what is an org chart? An org chart looks something like, well, this. And what you use it for typically is to figure out where everybody is in an organization, who reports to who, and how everybody's related to their different roles. In a planning situation, what you do is you fill out an org chart with all the different departments and all the jobs underneath those departments. You just don't fill in the names. Now, when I had my MSP, what I did was I filled out that org chart with maybe sales, marketing, tech, admin, etc., and filled out the different jobs I thought we might eventually have in those roles. Now, once I had those roles figured out, then I could plan on who I wanted to hire next, who was going to be the most advantageous to me to hire next, and where was I going to put them in that org chart, and that told me what kind of person I was looking to hire. Now, a lot of you, you're one-man bands and that's the way you want. You have a lifestyle MSP and that's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. However, org charts are useful for you as well because it tells you not where to stick people, but where to stick your time. And it's important because as a sole proprietor or, a one-man band, you really need to know where you should be spending your time to keep your business on the right track. Because even if you're a one-man band, you're going to need to do a little bit of marketing, a little bit of sales to keep a steady flow of customers. You're also going to need to make sure you keep up with things like billing and administration and paying your bills. So those things are really important, and an org chart will help you divide out your time properly to make sure all of that gets done. So there's something else that I want to talk about when I talk about org charts, and that is I think most org charts should be upside down. Now, I learned about this concept from a priest when I was working in a church early on in my career. And what he said was most org charts are wrong because the president, the CEO, the rector of the church is supporting all of those other people in those other roles. So that person really isn't at the top of the pyramid. They're at the bottom. They're at the root. And they're the ones that support all of those other roles so that those other people can get their jobs done correctly so the organization itself is rooted and runs properly. So as a business owner, that's something you need to think about as well. What are you doing to support all of those people in your organization? Just a little bit of food for thought. All right, everybody. I hope I got pretty close to the 2 minutes today. I really don't know. Obviously, it was on the screen, but when I'm recording this, I really have no idea. But if you liked this kind of content, if you want to see more of this kind of content, please go ahead over to the Facebook group and make sure that you join that. Make sure you like, subscribe, and ring the bell on this video so that you see more of them when I post them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.